Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best meat thermometer to cook your meats perfectly every time, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best meat thermometers available today. These thermometers are selected based on accuracy, response time, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Wireless meat thermometer with 4 probes, Inkbird Wi-Fi meat thermometer digital wireless for rotisserie grill oven unlimited range dishwasher waterproof Bluetooth thermometer for iOS and Android. The Inkbird wireless meat thermometer with 4 probes is designed for serious home cooks, grill masters, and barbecue enthusiasts who want accurate temperature tracking across multiple foods at the same time. With 4 stainless steel probes, it allows you to monitor different cuts of meat or multiple cooking zones without constantly opening the grill or oven. One of its biggest advantages is dual connectivity, combining Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth handles close-range monitoring, while Wi-Fi provides unlimited range through the Inkbird mobile app. This means you can step away from your grill, relax indoors, or even leave the house while still tracking temperatures in real time from your phone. Each probe delivers fast, precise readings, helping prevent undercooking or overcooking. The system supports preset temperatures for beef, chicken, pork, fish, and more, while also allowing custom temperature settings for advanced recipes like rotisserie chicken, smoked brisket, or reverse seared steak. The probes are dishwasher safe and waterproof, making cleanup quick and easy after long cooking sessions. High heat resistance ensures reliability during grilling, smoking, and oven roasting. The companion app works on both iOS and Android, providing real-time alerts, temperature graphs, and estimated cooking times. Notifications let you know exactly when food reaches target temperature or needs attention. Overall, the Inkbird 4-probe wireless meat thermometer is ideal for users who cook large meals, host gatherings, or manage multiple meats simultaneously, offering flexibility, accuracy, and true hands-free monitoring. Number 2. Thermometers Smart Bluetooth meat thermometer long-range wireless probe for oven, grilling, smoking, barbecue and air fryer, dual sensors and guided cook system, black charger. The Thermometers is a sleek, minimalist wireless meat thermometer built for cooks who value simplicity, precision, and clean design. Unlike traditional probe systems, the Thermometers uses a single, completely wire-free probe, eliminating tangled cables and clutter around your grill or oven. It features dual temperature sensors inside one probe. One measures the internal temperature of the meat, while the other tracks ambient cooking temperature. This allows the system to calculate accurate cooking progress and predict when your food will be ready. The Thermometers connects via Bluetooth, providing long-range wireless monitoring through the Meter app. While it doesn't use Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth range is optimized for home grilling, oven cooking, smoking, air frying, and indoor use. The guided cooking system inside the app is one of its strongest features. It walks users step by step through the cooking process, from preparation to resting time, making it ideal for beginners as well as experienced cooks who want consistent results. The probe stores neatly inside a compact charging case, which also acts as a Bluetooth signal extender. The probe is fully washable, durable, and designed to handle high cooking temperatures safely. Real-time alerts notify you when to remove meat from heat, helping prevent overcooking and ensuring optimal juiciness. The app supports multiple meat types and doneness levels, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Overall, the Thermometers is perfect for users who want a clean, cable-free experience with smart cooking guidance, especially for everyday grilling, roasting, and smoking. Number 3. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer, 2 ultra-thin probes, Wi-Fi unlimited range, 1000 degrees Fahrenheit heat safe, 5 sensors, barbecue, grill, oven, smoker, air fryer, Gen 3. The Chef IQ Sense Gen 3 is a premium smart wireless meat thermometer built for cooks who want professional-level accuracy with modern app control. It includes 2 ultra-thin probes, making it easy to monitor 2 different meats or cooking zones at the same time without damaging food texture. One of its standout features is true Wi-Fi connectivity with unlimited range. Once connected to your home Wi-Fi, you can monitor cooking progress from anywhere, whether you're inside the house, in the yard, or away entirely. This makes it ideal for long smoking sessions, overnight brisket cooks, or slow-roasted meals. Each probe contains 5 internal sensors, allowing precise tracking of internal meat temperature as well as ambient cooking temperature. This multi-sensor system provides more accurate doneness predictions and cooking time estimates compared to basic thermometers. The probes are rated to handle extreme heat up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for searing, grilling, pizza ovens, and high-temperature smokers. Despite the heat resistance, the probes remain ultra-thin, which helps retain juices and preserve meat quality. The Chef IQ app supports guided cooking, preset temperatures for various meats, and real-time alerts. It also tracks resting time automatically, helping ensure optimal texture and flavor after cooking. Compatible with barbecue grills, smokers, ovens, air fryers, and rotisserie setups, the Chef IQ Sense Gen 3 is best suited for users who want advanced data, remote access, and premium build quality in a wireless thermometer. Number 4. ThermoPro TempSpike 1000-foot wireless meat thermometer digital with 2 upgraded ultra-thin probe, kitchen food thermometer for cooking, turkey, oven, smoker, rotisserie, barbecue, grill temperature indicator. The ThermoPro TempSpike is designed for cooks who want reliable wireless monitoring without relying on Wi-Fi. It features 2 upgraded ultra-thin probes, allowing you to track 2 meats or temperature zones simultaneously during grilling, roasting, or smoking. Using a strong Bluetooth connection with up to 1000 feet of range, the TempSpike offers stable performance for backyard cooking, outdoor BBQs, and holiday meals. This extended range gives you freedom to move around while keeping real-time temperature data on your phone. Each probe measures both internal meat temperature and ambient cooking temperature, helping you avoid flare-ups, undercooking, or heat drops. The probes are heat-resistant and built for use in grills, smokers, ovens, and rotisserie setups. The ThermoPro app provides preset temperature recommendations for different meats and doneness levels, along with customizable alerts. Notifications let you know exactly when food reaches target temperature or when it's time to remove it from heat. A compact charging case stores and recharges the probes while also acting as a signal booster. The probes are waterproof and easy to clean, making them practical for frequent use. Overall, the TempSpike is ideal for users who want long-range wireless control, simplicity, and ThermoPro's trusted accuracy, without the need for Wi-Fi setup or subscriptions. Number 5. TempPro TP829 1000-foot wireless meat thermometer digital for grilling and smoking, 4 meat probes grill thermometer for outside grill, barbecue thermometer for cooking food temperature, previously ThermoPro. The TempPro TP829 is a multi-probe wireless meat thermometer built for high-capacity cooking and outdoor grilling sessions. With 4 stainless steel probes, it allows simultaneous monitoring of multiple meats or different areas of the grill, making it ideal for family gatherings and barbecue events. It offers a 1000-foot wireless range, providing dependable connectivity between the transmitter and receiver without relying on smartphones or apps. This standalone system is perfect for users who prefer simple, screen-based monitoring rather than mobile apps. Each probe delivers fast and accurate temperature readings, helping you track doneness precisely across different meats like beef, chicken, pork, and fish. Preset temperature options are included, along with customizable alerts for personalized cooking preferences. The large LCD display is clear and easy to read, even outdoors or in low-light conditions. Audible alarms notify you when target temperatures are reached, allowing hands-free monitoring during long cooks. The probes are heat-resistant and durable enough for grilling, smoking, roasting, and oven cooking. Cleanup is straightforward, and the included probe holders help keep everything organized between uses. The TempPro TP829 is best suited for cooks who want maximum probe capacity, long-range wireless reliability, and a straightforward, app-free experience for grilling and smoking multiple foods at once. That's our list of the top 5 best meat thermometers here on USA Smart Shop. Each option offers unique features depending on your cooking style and needs. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.